Want to learn deep learning with Andrew Ng on Coursera and also use GitHub resources to go further? In this video, I'll show you how the deep learning specialization works and how to use GitHub alongside it to learn faster. If you want to explore the course or resources, I've linked everything below. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to complete the full specialization and maybe take more AI courses after, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can access multiple courses under one plan and follow a complete learning path. Now let's talk about the course. This is the Deep Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng on Coursera. It has over 900,000 learners and a rating of around 4.8 out of 5, which makes it one of the most popular AI programs online. It's an intermediate level program, so you should already know basic Python and machine learning before starting. Now let's look at the structure. The specialization includes 5 courses. You start with neural networks, then move into improving deep learning models, structuring projects, computer vision, and finally sequence models. This takes you from fundamentals to advanced topics like transformers and natural language processing. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll build and train neural networks, work with TensorFlow, and understand concepts like optimization, regularization, and model tuning. You'll also apply deep learning to real-world tasks like image recognition, language processing, and recommendation systems. One of the biggest strengths of this program is the balance between theory and hands-on work. You're not just watching lectures, you're building models and solving real problems. Now let's bring in the GitHub part. There are public repositories that include notes, assignments, and implementations from the course. These can help you review concepts, debug your work, and see how others approach the problems. But here's something important. You should not rely on GitHub to copy solutions. Use it only when you're stuck or to understand concepts better. The real learning comes from solving the problems yourself. Now let's talk about who this course is for. This is ideal if you already understand basic machine learning and want to go deeper into AI. It's especially useful if you're aiming for roles like machine learning engineer or AI developer. But if you're a beginner, you should start with a machine learning fundamentals course first. Now here's the best strategy. Start with machine learning basics, then take this deep learning specialization, and finally build your own projects. That's how you become job ready. And again, this is where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can follow this full path without paying for each course separately. At the end of the day, your results will depend on how much you practice and apply what you learn. If you want to explore the course or check out the GitHub resources, you'll find everything in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and practical guides like this.